Hi, today is my birthday and we're here at Baguio Country Club. So if you plan to visit or spend a special day here today, these are the things that you need to know. So this is their pool amenities. It has a jacuzzi, it has a lounge pool, and a kids pool. Yeah, my kids are playing right there. And they also have a lap pool over there. And it's really nice and warm, heated yung pool, pati yung jacuzzi. And their rates here are 350 per hour for kids and 500 pesos per hour for adults. Also have a cafe right over there where you can order food and beverages. So right now we ordered, pizza and some snacks for the kids. So yeah, pwede ka nang pumunta dito kahit wala kayong baon, and the prices of the food are reasonable. Tama ba? Reasonable ba, Dad? It is so warm. Kasi right now, it's 20 degrees out, yung weather ng Baguio. And pag nasa loob ka ng pool na to, parang 30 plus degrees. So parang niluluto. It's not that hot. It's not scorching hot, just enough. And then when you come out, medyo malamig pag humahangin. Pero dito, napaka-relaxing. Nawawala lahat ng stress mo na dito sa may bubbles. Ayan o, tatanggal lahat ng stress mo. And also, it's nice na the kids get to enjoy a kiddie pool na heated din. I think mga 27 degrees doon. Or hindi siya super hot as the jacuzzi. Pero it's warm na comfortable enough. Pag nagsi-CR lang sila, nilalamig sila kasi 20 degrees yung temperature today dito sa Baguio City. And I like the amenities. It's so nice. The garden is so nice. Meron pa siyang beams sa taas. And it's not so hot today. So, perfect day to enjoy my birthday. Also, this is sponsored by our Ninong, Tito Ike. Thank you so much. Thank you for the birthday gift. We love you. Bye.